What's the meaning of Chapter 11? Chapter 11. Chapter 11.
Chapter 11. Chapter 11. Chapter 11 is a legal term that refers to a type of bankruptcy in the United States. It allows businesses to reorganize their debts and financial obligations while remaining in operation. The goal is to help companies become financially stable and continue operating, rather than shutting down completely. This process involves working with creditors and a bankruptcy court to develop a plan to pay off debt over time. If the plan is successful, the company can emerge from Chapter 11 bankruptcy with a fresh start.